What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm. We have to push this information out there further so more people can have the opportunity to learn about crypto and join in on some of the plays that we're getting in on. Now, this is one of my free 99 play videos, but we got, a few things to cover. What's going on with the market, the Shiba Inu price, why is it down? We're going to talk about that as well. But first things first, come join, our private investment community here on Facebook. We have almost 6,000 active investors in here, all working together, learning from each other, sharing tips and tricks, also sharing some of our plays that you'll catch at the end of this video and, knocking it out of the park, making a lot of money doing this. So, remember, none of this is financial advice. You have to always do your own due diligence, but, come tap in and join the community so that way you can learn and, just become a better informed investor overall. So that is Private Stock Market Game on Facebook. Also, come follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. If you are not following me on Twitter, you will not be able to get inside the group. A lot of y'all have over about 15 to 1,600 people on the waiting list to get in, but you have to go follow me on Twitter to get in. I got you as soon as you do that. So follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. Let's take a quick look at Shiba Inu price. And I told y'all yesterday that, we're holding this support level nicely. The markets was showing that we could potentially still pull back all the way to this mid Bollinger Band level. Go back to the video I dropped yesterday. I told y'all that. Now, in the short term, maybe the next few hours or so, I could see the price going up, because if we take a look at the 15-minute chart, you can notice it's looking very bullish right here. It just tapped that bottom Bollinger Band right there. We got a bullish green candle in there, showing that it wants to push up. So it might come and push and test this mid Bollinger Band up to the 28.29 level, 28.95 probably, and push back down, or 28.97 and push back down this range. But I'm looking at the day chart because I want to make a more mature decision. And if we look at the day chart, it's still showing us we have some room to pull back to this mid Bollinger Band, as well as our RSI showing signs that it could potentially cool off slightly. And that's also because of the news that we have in the market. Now, let's say if we had, everything else in the crypto space was bullish, we had a lot of exciting catalysts coming in, then this could potentially flip. But with what we have going on here with the FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt going on with Russia, this is, weighing on the markets a little bit. So y'all just have to understand, sometimes you got to take a step back and look at what's happening, overall in the world, and see how it could be affecting the markets. So what a Russian invasion of Ukraine would mean for markets, as Biden warns Putin of severe costs. Also, as Biden warns Putin of severe costs. So that, look, even that headline right there is meant to, cause fear, to say, something could potentially happen. And the markets do not like uncertainty. When we see things like this happening, like potential two countries going to war, especially the United States being involved, and Russia, two of the main countries, or bigger countries, the markets are going to, pull some of their money off the table to kind of let things settle and see what happened before they, jump in. But, I wanted to go into quickly another play that I want y'all to check out. We did an update already on this, a review of this token already on the channel. This is Inu. Now, this is a free play for y'all that are not inside of my paid private Discord. I already called this out to the members inside of there, but this website is inu.in. Now, I want y'all to come check this out, do your own due diligence, but I like this project because, they have both sides of, best of both worlds, basically. You can get them on, the ERC20 chain if you're more comfortable with Ethereum projects, or you can get them on, Binance if you're more comfortable with that. Now, a lot of the viewers, tend to, tell me they don't like the gas fees and things like that. And this is the perfect opportunity to be able to invest in a young project that has some true potential like Shiba Inu, and, with less gas fees. Well, not saying with Shi, but with some of these other projects that we see, all the other Inus. Y'all ain't going to act like y'all don't know. We've been covering a lot of Inus lately. And most of those ones are only on the ERC20. So that's what, I like about this one. Now, I'm going to go to the roadmap real quick. Last time we checked this out, they didn't have as many things updated. Now, this is what I like to see, progress being made in the roadmap. Now, we still have a few things to be, basically to check off here in stage 3, as well as a complete stage 4 left. So that means there's still a lot of catalysts to come, still a lot of, use case or utility that will be brought out that will potentially bring more hype and more awareness to the project. So this could potentially be a good time to get in on this project. So we're going to take a look at the chart as well to look at some key support levels. So that way I don't got people just FOMOing in. Now remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to just go risk the rent money or do nothing crazy jumping in here, but I want you to do your due diligence and check this project out. Now they have a lot of exciting upcoming catalysts. One of my favorite things right now, they got the Bitmart listing happening. Let's see if we can find that tweet real quick. So also follow them on Twitter at Voteinu official, and they got instructions here how to buy it. So you can buy that, same way we talk about all the other tokens. If y'all are watching this, most likely you know how to buy. But if you don't know how to buy, then you can use Trust Wallet, have BNB. You can connect to the PooCoin website, or you can connect to PancakeSwap and purchase with your BNB or Cake on PancakeSwap, or you can purchase through, the ERC chain using MetaMask. So right now, they just put up a tweet 2 hours ago saying, and just like that, 500 new holders were added in about 24 hours of a red market. That is something you want to pay attention to. That is not a small, goal to accomplish. 500 new holders within 24 hours. That says something is happening. Something is brewing. Shout out to y'all reaching out to the channel. I will tap in with y'all as soon as this is over with. But, people are connecting the dots on this project. Now, you want to get in before projects blow up. Now, if you would have been in Shiba Inu last January, 1 year from then, you would have been completely filthy rich with a very small amount of money. So it doesn't take, a lot of money to have to, be involved in these projects. You can do it with whatever you're comfortable with, your risk tolerance. If that's coffee money to you, if that's chip money, if that's something more, then that's up to you. But you do want to, make sure you check these projects out that have strong communities behind them, so you do not miss the opportunity, to get involved if you decide to at the end. Now, what I mean by strong communities, we got YouTubers like Your Pop doing, reviews and videos, updating the community on this project. He has a large following. So if he's constantly updating his community about this project, that means this project is going to have an even stronger base. Also, we got Zach Humphreys updating his community about this project. That adds even a more stronger base to the overall Voteinu community. We got my community being informed about Voteinu. That's even more. So you want to connect the dots. When you see YouTubers or people who have influence in this space, mentioning a project all in one accord, that's usually a good sign right there. So just, connect the dots right there. But XT Exchange has announced that they will be listing Voteinu, and this will be February 15th, y'all. So we got one exchange listing on the way right then. We got the Bitmart listing coming up potentially, I believe that's February 21st. So, connect the dots, y'all. A lot more people will have access to being able to purchase this. So also, another one of my favorite things that this project does is give back to the community. So, a lot of projects say that, but one thing they do that, kind of, I really rock with it. They are actually paying their, holders electricity bill. Now, that hasn't, happen. You got to post your they're not doing it randomly. You have to actually take a screenshot or like a picture of your electricity bill, post it in the comments, and you could potentially be picked. Now, that is amazing to me, if you ask me, because sometimes a light bill can be the difference of someone having to close out their positions and in their crypto, or not. I just read a comment from someone saying, he held as long as he could. He had to pay, his utilities and get some food. So the fact that they're helping alleviate some of those bills is major to me. So congratulations on that. Keep doing that. I like to see that. So I believe this is going on for the next 30 days. So also another thing, a major buyback for over 200K is about to happen, y'all, at around let me see if I can find that tweet again. So here we go. $200,000 buyback and burn happening when we reach 20,000 holders. We are already at 15,300 at the moment, y'all. Literally less than 5,000 holders left. And with them being more and more informed, we just got 500 new holders in 24 hours. This could happen within the week, y'all, especially if the markets turn around and begin to pump. So I want y'all to, check this project out. Do your due diligence, jump into Telegram, ask some questions. So also another tweet here saying we have never developed and worked harder than during pullbacks. That's something you want to see. A team that doesn't just sit there idle when the markets are down, a team who is, constantly working together to, try to push this token forward. Because that's really what a lot of people expect from, some of these community-driven tokens. That, yeah, they can be community-driven, but still a lot of the community wants to see the dev team active and, bringing use case and bringing new partnerships to the project. And that's what we're seeing with the Shiba Inu team. So shout out to them for that. So you see right here is the Bitmart announcement that's saying upcoming new listing. Bitmart will list Volt soon. Shiba Inu is a hyper-deflationary token whose aim is to invest in multiple asset classes such as NFTs, nodes, altcoins, staking, and farming of stablecoins. Stay tuned for our upcoming announcement. So this is going to be major, guys. So make sure y'all tap in. So y'all come check out the Twitter page just to, get familiar. You can see the engagement is through the roof. They got, you can see each post has almost 500, more than 500, just 500 likes. So almost 1,000 engagements on each post. That shows that they have a community, and really the community will make or break the project. Now let's take a look at this moon sheet here. Just showing the potential. Here's an example. So 10 million is just showing different projects. Floki Inu somewhere around a $612 million market cap. So if it went to there, that would be 61x. Just showing you the potential of what could happen. If it went to the market cap where Dogecoin is, that would be a 70x. If it went to the market cap where SHIB is, that'd be a 1,670x. And if it went to the market cap where Dogecoin is, that's a 2,350x, y'all. Even that means basically you could put change in this, and if it hits any of these areas, you're gonna make a nice return on your investment. So that's pretty much all we got. Let's take a look at the chart real quick. This is a perfect dip. All-time highs were all the way back up here in the 16 level, y'all. So having the opportunity to buy it down here in the 5s is amazing, because that's automatically a 3x on your money if it returns to all-time high. So it's looking bullish right now. We do see a green candle coming in. We see volume trying to pop up a little bit right here towards the end as people were selling off. So we got this green candle coming in here that shows people are buying right now. We could even go and take a look at, the orders coming in right now. So 200, 303, 20, 90, 57, 93, 63, 28, 247, 656, 2,000 almost, $4, $40, $80, 400. So people are, investing right now. So you want to check this project out, man. I'm not going to hold y'all no longer. If you're interested in learning how to interpret this data on the chart, reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, to get my technical analysis course. I highly recommend you get it. Do not sell yourself short and just be floating around in the market with your hard-earned money that you took, a lot of your, energy, a lot of your equity to just, basically gamble with it. That's what I see a lot of people doing. If you don't understand when to buy, when to sell, you're basically gambling. Now we could even pull some indicators out, but just even eyeballing this right now, I could see that we're at around a previous resistance level where we're holding support. So this is just a good sign right here anyway. So reach out to me if you want to get the course. Also, if you want to join the private Discord, email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out, man.